So I explain to you how you make cookies, good cookies. So first of all, you take a bowl like this, and you put 4 pieces butter, a real butter, no margarine, just a real butter. When you slice this, while the butter is frozen, so I'm slicing so that the butter gets softer. You take regular oil, no olive oil, just a regular vegetables oil. When you put in a cup like this, I have a cup, but here I put a little bit more if you have a cup. When you put it inside. Now you take I have a cup orange juice, a good have a cup, like this. When you put it in also, orange juice. Then you take a little bit of vanilla. You put it in approximately a little bit. I don't know, I didn't measure, but like this here. Too much is not good, and too little is not good. So you have to have a feeling for this. You always put the eggs before you're putting in a little. This is possible because 1 egg is not so good. Then you spoil all the eggs when you put it in here. So when you put it in like this here, on 1 egg is not so good, then you save the rest. You can put 10, you can put 8. I'm putting 9 eggs in. I have already the measurement. You take a measurement, 2 cups, measure 2 cups of sugar, exactly 2 cups. When you pouring in like this, you put in 4 cups of flour. This means not now. You put in 4 cups like this. You pour the 4 cups in you're pouring here in 4 cups of flour. You're waiting so this has to be mixed at least 15 to 20 minutes. Like this here. Oh, wait a minute. A piece of salt, but not much. You put it into. Small spoons of baking powder. So this means you put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. When you mix in the flour the baking powder like this, here, now when this eggs or sugar on every, what I put it in has to mix by 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Then you take the 4 cups of flour with the baking powder, when you put it in little by little. In the meantime, when this mix you put it a slow. Oh. You have to beat it at least, when you put the flour, at least 20 minutes. Has to mix together with all the ingredient, what is inside, the eggs, the sugar, and everything. When it's smooth like this here, then you can stop the machine. You stop the machine like this. Take a look how fine this is. You see? You dipped it in flour so that you can clean up this here. You see? This is cleaned up. And then you're pouring this stuff so now you mix this with the flour together like this. Right now, it's not enough flour. You see, it's too soft. What you're doing is, you take more flour, or you put it in. Very simple. You see, this is not enough, so you have to put in more flour in. So, now this has to stay at least 2 hours in the refrigerator. So you're taking, this is very important what I'm telling you right now. It's not a long to make. the dough. How you do it after this? You take plastic, you put in a bowl, or there you can leave it. This don't go in the fridge there. It's too big, so I have to do like this. So what I'm doing is you see, like this, and I'm putting so. Now what you do is you cover this with this plastic like this. You see? Like this. When you put in the refrigerator at least for 2 hours. This has to stay in the refrigerator by this works inside all the what I put it in, and is better when it's 2 hours and then you bake. Then I show you when I take it off out from the refrigerator and I make the cookies, how nice and quick this goes. And they came out just to eat and delicious. So this is everything. Cut pieces, you see, like this. See? Take care of it out here. Like this. You see? Now, you take 2 or the 3 forms, how much you want it, and you make it like this. You see, a heart. You take one of them and you put it here.
Put anything on the sheet?
Nothing, nothing. You don't need it. a little bit soft. You see, when you see that the dough is too soft, you just put more flour in. You see, like this here.
And you can freeze this dough too.
Yeah, you can freeze this too. Yeah. You have to have a feeling, not too thin or not too thick. So, you see how nice it comes out? Take a look. You can do nothing. One sometime is,
About a quarter of an inch.
yeah, the oven of 350, taking sugar, you see, you see, and this goes in a warm oven like this. You see how nice this is? Well, that's it. This is all what you can do.
How long?
I told you about 20 minutes, but you have to look at it. When it gets golden brown, then you take it. Depends, you want it well down, you leave it another 5 minutes in. You don't want it so well down, you take it down